I'm hanging up for phone. Okay, bye.
What is going on? Oscar!
Okay, so before we go further into this video, I feel like I need to explain who's walking into my house. This is Sophie. We have known each other since 8th grade. We were pen pals and she was my foreign exchange student. She's from Denmark. We've been to Chicago together, Vegas, South Carolina. She lived with me for a month in Hawaii. We've been to New York together. We've like basically grown up together. This is the 3rd time she has surprised my family. And she brought her little brother, Oscar, who we've never met before. They're basically family to me. Sophie's like my sister. So this video is just a little bit of our time at home together and just cozy family little vlog for you. Without further ado, let's get back into the video. Okay, this is my pen pal from Denmark. Hi guys. When we were in 8th grade, she was my foreign exchange student and we're besties. And this is her brother, a new special guest. My little brother. Say something in Danish.
Hi, røvhul. Hi, røvhul.
Hi, røvhul.
Prove your Danish right now.
Oh, crap. I don't know what to say.
What? You literally could say, like I could say something. And we're playing a game that they taught me called
Røvhul.
called whatever that is. What does it mean?
Butthole.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
No way.
Because the loser is the butthole.
No way. That's
true.
not real.
That is true.
Oh, you can.
So, part of the American experience is going to McDonald's at 9 p.m. Show them your fit.
No, should I?
Yeah.
Show the fit. Are you driving? No, not you. What? Double cheeseburger.
I'm about to get a whole meal.
No, like we fully all ate dinner. Just say what you want. Just say what you want.
2 double cheeseburger, please.
I don't know if he's ready.
What?
Yes, and then could I do
Yes.
what kind of flurries do you have? Do you guys want anything else?
Should I do a fries?
Yeah, you should.
You didn't
Can
get
we
fries
do
either.
2 or another medium fry?
2 fries or
Should I get more fries?
Can you?
I don't know. Should I ask?
Yeah. Say, is it too late to get one more fry?
Thank you. I couldn't do it.
All these small pieces. What is this? Oh, this is good.
You're right. We should go back. I'm not ready.
Previously on the Summer I Turned Pretty.
That was rancid.
That literally, like, it just leaves me speechless. That was awful. Awful.
We're sitting here, like, crying and, like, sweating. With this up here, we got a lineup of McFlurry Pringles. And then we're going off about things that aren't, this isn't real.
Like, this is a script. This isn't real.
They're actors.
Conrad has a girlfriend in real life.
His name's not, Conrad doesn't exist. Was it worth it? No. The Danes are making a Danish meal for us for dinner.
Frikadeller med brun sovs og kartofler.
That's right. Frikadeller.
If anybody can read that, then you're Danish.
Do you have this?
Oh.
And do you have thyme as well?
Put it in Google Translate.
This 2 times and then right? Get it? No.
This?
Yeah. And
6.
6. All right. Oats.
Oh, I love those. Chef, red wine chef.
Thanks.
Cheers, chef.
Oh wow.
Cheers, chef.
Cheers, co-chef.
Cheers.
Kosher.
You're the co-chef, not the head chef.
Apparently.
You just got demoted. Dad's like itching because he's not cooking
No,
right now.
this is way
like-
beyond me. I'm realizing how inadequate I am.
Yeah, you just
Watching real chefs.
right. Real chefs.
Trained in Copenhagen.
Chef Sophie. That's so good.
Potato, sauce.
So good.
That is excellent.
Rate the dinner skill when
Dinner.
it
Don't think about it. Let's read that.
We're not
Yeah.
listening. We're not listening.
comes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Hold up.
Tell us when you're done.
Turn around.
You told me to do that.
No, I
You're
didn't.
telling-
No,
Yes,
I
you
didn't.
did.
I said, say a 10. Say a 10.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I said,
No, you didn't.
and you were like,
You went.
and you were like.
Rewind the video. You're sitting in the vlog and saying
Cheers. At the great store or the great place of Salvation Army.
What did you say?
I said I almost just dropped my camera.
Oh.
Let me see. Let me see. Wait, it looks kind of cute though. Wait.
You can't have this in your suitcase. So.
Yeah, this is gonna like you'll have to wear that. Oh, that one's cute. I kind of like that. The other one's brown though.
Okay, I might get. Oh, that one.
Nice, nice.
Attention shoppers, good afternoon. Today's free tag sale page, everything is 50% off.
No way.
Also,
Did she say that everything was 15% off? Or what?
Everything?
50.
I thought it was just orange. She said everything?
What's the orange?
I don't know. Everything is 50%.
I like this.
Try it on. Go blue.
Look at him.
He's a thrifter. 80?
$80, man.
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 Holy crap. No way. Drink it. Drink it. Drink it.
Heck no,
Yeah, drink it.
Storm water.
It looks like so.
It's storm
It
water.
looks clean. Drink it.
That was so cute.
Today they wanted the full American experience, so I took them to Mega Coney Island. And if you don't know what Mega Coney Island is, it's a diner that has breakfast all day and leaves you smelling like grease when you walk out the door. We are cooking a fantastic meal for ourselves that you will have to wait and see.
Yeah. Gives me Hawaii vibes.
If you don't know, Sophie stayed with me for a month in Hawaii and we cooked.
And this was all we made.
This was our classic recipe that we made.
Dinner's almost ready. Hello.
Hello, I'm here with
Your mom.
So my brother just told me I'm the most unathletic person he's ever met, which is a true statement. But he said that I can't dribble a ball 10 times in a row. Alright? So I'm proving him wrong.
Okay, yeah, both hands,
Let's
both hands.
see.
Alright, 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2,
Oh!
3,
It is.
Yeah, did you see that? Yeah. I learned that in gym class. So
Girl
got it.
power.
That looks so good.
The same length of where the shants would go.
All gone. And I need a sweet treat. Beach day, beach day.
Oh, take that! Nice.
Sit. That felt so weird.
Okay, I thought it would be like
It's
way
like
smoother,
chunky.
Like,
Why is it chunky? Ew, it's like oily.
that's not. I thought it would be.
Looks like avocado.
I thought about that also with the chunks.
It's kind of burning.
Is it burning?
Okay.
Oh. We used to do this all the time.
Oh my gosh. We had an upgrade. Like we used to use like
the bad stuff.
really bad.
Yeah.
Do you guys want a face mask? Just kidding. It's for the girls.
Yeah, girls only.
Good 2 minutes. Starting now.
Starting from.
Ding. Cheers. I can't drink it too hot. Mmm.
Lovely. Yummy.
Don't. So we don't. Oh, stop.
What's up, man?
On the stop. Det er ikke sjovt.
Det er det sgu da.
Nej.
Konstant så det engang.
You worked so hard to roll the windows up. The way that Sophie started lecturing him in Danish.
This is a farce. This does not work like the commercial where they slap it on there.
Dad, your turn. Hey, get it. We're going to a football game.
Going to the game, y'all.
Game time.
Game time. Introduce yourself. This is
Hi, I'm Weird Dave. Nice to meet you.
I'm Jen.
normal Jen.
Forward
Bears.
down the field, the Lions team that will not yield. And when the blue and silver wave, stand and cheer the brave. Rah, rah, rah.
Rah, rah, rah.
Hi. I'm the mom of Meredith. This is my best friend, Jennifer. We're the all-time best people on the planet Earth, just saying.